So next we're going to look at adding sequences together. So let me add, I'm going to put in another Python program. I'm going to call it adding sequences demo. And so let's say that we have list 1 is going to equal this list 1, 2, 3, and we're going to make list 2 equal this list 4, 5, 6. And we'll say combined list is equal to list 1 plus list 2. What will happen? Well, to find out, let's just we'll print that out. We'll print combined list. And let's see what we get. So notice that what happens is we end up getting the first list concatenated to the second list. They're basically just one is added to the other. If I switch this up, for example, it would be 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. So basically they're combined in the order in which you provide them. You can also do this with a string. So I'll say text1 is equal to hello, comma, space, and then text2 is equal to world, exclamation point. And then I'll say total text is equal to text1 plus text2. And then we'll print that out, see what we got. And we can see we combined hello plus world. So string just worked the same way. Again, these are common sequence operations. They work with any sequence. You know, we could even do the same thing with a tuple. Print, and you can even do it, you know, just so I'll say tuple 1 is equal to, again, it'll be the same sort of thing, 1, 2, or we'll just do something like this. We'll say A, comma, B, comma, C, and tuple 2 is equal to E, comma, F, comma, G. And I'm just going to, you can even do this, you know, just like this, right, in the print statement. And there you get a tuple, which is a combination of both. You can even do these things you know, just write in the print statement even, and wherever you put a plus between two sequences, you know, it'll add it together. So wonder if we can combine. So could we take maybe this 1, 2, 3 list 1 here and add it to this text 2 here? So let me clear some of this out just to make it simpler. And so let's try this. Let's say we're going to add list 1. So we're going to try to add a list to text 2. So now we're going to try to combine this list here with this world here, and then display that. Well, we can't. We get an error. You see, you know, line 11 right here. Add to dislimiter equals list 1 plus text 2. can only concatenate lists, not string to a list. So we can't take this list and combine it with this string. What we could do, though, is we could do conversion. So this is where the string conversion. So here I'm going to take this list, make it into a string, and add it to text2. Let's see if that will work. Yes. So you can actually, you could either convert list1 to a string, or you could turn the text into a list. Let's see what that does. It's kind of interesting because when you convert a string to a list, it actually puts each character in a separate element. So we can use these conversion specifiers to add things together. And this allows us to maybe do to exercise a lot of control. I'm going to make another program. And let's see, I'm going to say name is equal to, or let's do it this way. Let's say first name equals input, please, or let's just say first name, and then I'll say last name equals input last name. And then what I'll do is say miles ran is equal to int input and let's say I wanted to combine that together. Well, I can't do this, so I can't. Let's see if I can do this. I can say first name plus, so I can do this. I can put a space between them, plus last name plus, if I tried that, let's see what would happen. And it says, you know, you can't, I can't combine, can only concatenate string, not int to string. So we can't bring this number here, bring it into string. So what we can do, though, is we can convert this to a string and then run this. And so let's see, what did I do? Oh, I needed this to be here. So I'm just going to convert the number that I got. And now, and so we can see here, okay, I've got the 2 there. Let's make this a little better. We're going to say and now we have something that and so by converting this to string, we can now concatenate that. So we could have done this with commas, but sometimes you want more control about with what happens. And so converting something to string and then concatenating it in with plus signs is sometimes a better way of combining up your results. Thank you very much.